Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the netband and preparing your phone. Charge to at least 50% so the pairing won't drop, then press and hold the main button to turn it on. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and location services because many bands require both to scan. Once done, open the companion app and sign in or create an account. This links device profiles and stores preferences. Make sure notifications are allowed so the band can mirror alerts. You now pair the band through the app. Tap Add Device and choose the exact model shown. The app will scan. When a matching device appears, select it and confirm the pairing PIN that displays on both the band and the phone. This prevents accidental connections. After pairing, follow prompts to grant permissions for notifications, contacts, location, and background refresh. These allow step tracking and message alerts. Finally, adjust basic settings like units, watch face, and goals to suit you. Complete the setup by syncing data and checking for firmware updates, keeping firmware current fixes connectivity and sensor accuracy. Set an auto-sync interval that balances battery life and timeliness, then perform a manual sync to confirm real-time data flow. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Restart both the band and the phone, then disable and re-enable Bluetooth. If pairing still fails, reset the band's Bluetooth from its settings and attempt pairing again. This usually clears lingering link issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.